In this video, we're going to create a glossy material by using Unity's shader graph editor in Universal Render Pipeline. I'm going to create a new shader on this monkey head that I have installed earlier. Before creating any shader, you have to create a new material. So that to create new material, right click on the panel and then go to create and click on material. So I'm going to name it my shader, and again right click, then go to create and go to shader and go to Universal Render Pipeline and then lit shader graph. So and double click on it, it will open a new window. This is the master node, and then we are going to create Fresnel node. To do that, the space bar, so F offer Fresnel effect, and we're going to output it into the emission, so that now you can see in the preview menu now it's glowing. And then we're going to create a noise node. Noise sample, and right now we cannot click add put two input into one, so we're going to select this and delete. And now we are going to add new node, which is multiply, and then we can join the node in node 1 and then 2, then we can create the emission. Now we can see some noise over here, so you can adjust size of the noise from this menu bar. And now we're going to add new color, so add new color node, CO color node, basic color, and then again we're going to shift this side and then create again one multiply node, and then so join it together. Or from this bar node we can add color and then intensity of the color. So right now I'm going to turn it on HDR mode, so then you can turn on intensity, color intensity. I'm going to click on 1, it will give mix of more glowing color. And I'm going to join with emission. Now you can see it, we have the new preview showing the red flag. And one thing is we're going to create a float, add a float node. Basically what we do is we can control the noise from here. So I'm going to create 100, so we can control over here, so that we can change color and then noise from this inspector bar. So go back to this, and then we are going to create it as a property, so that we can control from the inspector main bar. And to do that, right click on the node and convert to property, and see, now we have converted, and as same with the color, we are going to convert it to property, and here we are. So now let's go to the scene, and then we are going to add this material to the monkey head, and then click on the material, and then in universal render pipeline you can search for shader graph, go to shader graph, and then click on new shader graph, so that we have created it right now. It's shader graph physics. Problem is why it's not showing in the scene is because we forgot to save. Right after creating a node, we need to save it, and click on save asset and go to the scene. We have successfully added glowing effect to the monkey, and now we can change the color and then noise from the inspector menu. We don't have to go to go forth and back with shader and then the scene, and then we can also change the color and then intensity of the color. And that's why we need to create a convert or float and then color to property, and this is the final output. If you like the video, click on subscribe and then like it, and see you in next video. Bye bye.